And what do we have here? Special delivery? I think so. What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today's video is gonna be a quick one. We're gonna be doing a unboxing of the Morimoto V2 headlights for the 10th gen Civic. Obviously they're going on my Type R. So it's gonna be a quick one. We got a whole nother install video coming and a little bit more content on the front end of my car. So let's just get right into it. Let's get this thing unboxed, show you guys what we got inside. To start off, I'll give Morimoto credit. They got some decent looking packaging. What do you guys think about that? They got the little pictures of the lights. Also unboxing this on the motor of the car. Oh, because I don't really have a good place to actually unbox this besides here. Got a little install. Thank you for purchasing. If you need install help, get that out of the way. Get the foam out of the way. So we got the harnesses, and these red and green and black are for the different lighting modes on the headlights. So obviously you got two sets for the two headlights. Let me open one of these up and show you guys what we're working with. Before I get too far too, there is a blue one. So I'm gonna have to figure out when I do the install video on which one does what. But there's also a blue piece to determine what the headlights will look like. So we got plastic wrapping. It looks like we got like a saran wrap type over the actual headlight itself. So this is attached to the headlight. The biggest thing with these V2s over the V1s is they have a 5-year warranty, which the V1s were known to have issues, and not having a good warranty like that was definitely a killer. Because I thought about buying a used set, but I've seen people where the actual projectors turn purple, and there's nothing you can do about it besides pay someone to fix it. The overall quality seems to be very nice. They're nice and heavy. There's a good weight to them. I don't know what the OEM headlights feel like, but it looks like we got all new tabs. We got their logo back here. I know I'm definitely a bigger fan of the V1s, but again, like I said, they got a bunch of issues, and obviously you can't get them anymore. So these are definitely a close second though. I love the black housing and the individual projectors. And I'm going to be running the white LED DRL. I'm not a big fan of amber, especially in the blue. Give you guys one last shot here. The whole thing. Give you guys a quick look at the back of the headlight. So these are super simple, plug and play. Quality's good. Very, very easy. Told you guys this is gonna be a quick one. So what do you guys think of these V2s? I like them, the quality seems good. And are you guys gonna be picking a setup for yourself? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you guys do subscribe if you wanna see the actual install video. But along with the install video, I'm gonna be doing a couple other things to the front end of my car. I'll give you guys a little spoiler right now, just so you make sure you subscribe, because a couple of the videos I'm going to be making, there's not too much content on YouTube already about it. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe. So the first one, obviously we're gonna do the install of the Morimoto V2s. But along with that, since we gotta take the bumper off, trying to do it one time, don't wanna mess around with that too much. But I have a Morimoto black intercooler that's gonna be going on with the charge pipes. So I gotta take off my PRL with the PRL charge pipes. So I have that. And I also have I bought a used race bred 2-inch splitter. So we're gonna be installing that too. That's the one that I haven't seen many videos on YouTube about. So hopefully I can give you guys some insight on the actual install. I bought a bunch of new hardware for it. So definitely make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next install video. Thanks for watching.